exciting musical performances.
Big Bird, I'm not really that good, Flip. I'm really, pretty good, but...
I'm not talking about you.
You're not?
Oh, I was about to introduce Sunday's child.
Oh. No.
I mean, like, these three young ladies can really sing, they dance, and wait till you see them
They
sing.
dance?
Sure, they dance. They taught Leroy the dancing chick and everything he knows.
I love to dance. Boy, I can't fly, but nature made up for it by giving me twinkly feet.
Yeah, I see.
When you invited me on your show, I kind of thought I might have a chance to, trip the light fantastic.
You like to trip, do you?
Oh, all the time.
Say no more. Any particular tempo, or do you trip to anything?
Anything.
Maestro! Kick your knees up, step in time. Kick your knees up, step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Kick your knees up, step in time. Spin about and step in time. Spin about and step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Spin about and step in time. Clap like a birdie, step in time. Clap like a birdie, step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Clap like a bird and step in time.
Mr. Wilson, speak to me. Are you all right?
The dance is for the birds.